Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can crop in Canva. So let's get started. Cropping in Canva is really easy. Simply follow me along. First of all, you get to select that text icon or any image that you wish to crop. For example, let's go with this one, and then you'll be able to see this option over here, that is crop. Click on it and then we have numerous cropping options. You can also click on smart crop in order to remove any unwanted stuff and let the AI crop it for you. You can also go with square crop. You can see a square frame and you can crop it within this frame. We have rectangular crop, and then we have the vertical rectangular and some other crops as well. You can also rotate it if you want to do so within crop. And then if you wish to expand the crop, then you can go to expand and then the AI will expand this image on this whole page. So that was basically how you can crop in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.